Hello, we're going to take a look at our Google settings to see what to do when we use 2FA or two-factor authentication with our Gmail account and we want to use Genesis Gmail to download our email messages. We're going to open up our web browser, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, and we're going to go to the website myaccount.google.com. And when you get here, you may already be signed in. In my case, it says welcome. If you're not, it will bring you to a sign-in screen and you'll log into your Gmail account that you want to configure. If you're like me and you have multiple accounts, in the top right you will click on your icon or your picture and you will select the account that you want to use. Once you are on this welcome screen, on the left hand side of the screen in the left menu, you'll click on Security. And here in this first section for signing into Google, if you're like me and you use two-step verification or 2FA, you can click on this. It may ask you to log back in. You can turn it off. You can take a look at different things that you need in here. Or if you want to leave it on, I'm going to leave mine on. I'm just going to go back. What you'll want to do is under this two-step verification, if you have it on, you'll want to click on App Passwords. Again, log in. And in here, you can create an app password or a password that becomes specific to Genesis Gmail in Genesis and User Setup instead of your Gmail password. And that's how this two-factor authentication works. So what you'll want to do, I already have one. You'll want to click this that says Select App and do Other, Custom Name. And just name it Genesis Gmail, or you can even name it Genesis, and you'll click on Generate. It's going to bring up this in yellow where it says your app password for your device, and this is your password. And take note, you can either copy it or you can write it down. When you look at it, it shows spaces, but there are no spaces in this password. It's just the way Google shows it to you. So this is all one word all together, no spaces, and all lowercase. So I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to go over to my Genesis into User Setup. Once Genesis is open, I'm going to go into User Setup. I'm going to find my account. If this was me, let's just say I'm Donald Duck. Then I will put in my email address, which was DerekHoneycutt@gmail.com, and for the password, when using the two-factor authentication or two-step verification, this will not be my Gmail password. It's the password that we copied from Google that was generated for Genesis. Once that's put in, we close, and that should save it. And with that correct app password, it will download our messages and allow our Gmail to work. If you continue to have trouble, please let us know and give us a call. Thank you.